Your company stores large datasets in S3 that are accessed frequently for the first month and rarely thereafter. The datasets must remain available for occasional access, but should minimize storage costs. Which storage class is most appropriate? A. Amazon S3 Standard. B. Amazon S3 Intelligent Tiering. C. Amazon S3 Glacier Deep Archive. D. Amazon S3 One Zone IA. Correct answer, B. Amazon S3 Intelligent Tiering. Explanation: S3 Intelligent Tiering automatically moves objects between frequent access and infrequent access tiers based on usage patterns, optimizing costs for unpredictable access. Incorrect answers. Why not A? S3 Standard is designed for frequent access, but is more expensive for infrequent access. Why not C? Glacier Deep Archive is for long-term archival data, and is not suitable for occasional access due to high retrieval latency. Why not D? S3 One Zone IA is cost-effective but stores data in a single availability zone, which doesn't provide the high durability of other classes.